Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at all those juices coming out, guys. Oh, that garlic flavor, that butter. Oh. Look at these pizza rolls. Oh wow. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar and this is Omar Over Fire. I cook over fire almost every weekend, but today we're doing something completely different. Cosori sent me this TurboBlaze Air Fryer and today I want to put it to the test. Today we're going to be cooking something really good, guys. We're going to cook this chicken right here. And for that, we're going to be using the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. What caught my attention is that it uses a DC motor and multiple fan speeds. And not like the typical one-speed motor that you find on many fryers. And today we're going to test it with some chicken. And we might be making some pizza rolls for the kids. First of all, we're going to open up the chicken. Let's see. Right here. What we're going to do, we're going to get it nice and dry. And just like a turkey. Look at this. We're not going to need any of this. I'm going to use one of this. This here is just garlic and butter. And then we're going to add a little thyme. And then we're going to add some rosemary. Everybody likes a little rosemary. So all we got is butter, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. That's the only ingredients that we have on this. We're going to pour it right over the chicken and then we're going to use our seasoning. This is the seasoning I got right here. It's got crushed salt, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Perfect. That's what we're going to be using. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. All right, this is done. Now all that we're going to use it on our chicken. And we're going to use this little brush. Just cover up the chicken with this. Just like that. Oh yeah, give it a nice bath. And then we're going to use our seasoning. Just like that. And we'll grab our chicken. We'll turn them around like this. And season all the backside too. And now that your chicken is well covered with the seasoning, we want to put it on the air fryer. I can tell you one thing though, for this little thing right here, a whole chicken like this is a real test, and I'm going to tell you why. Because we're looking for a nice crispy skin, nice and juicy on the inside. That means it needs to be cooked nice and evenly. Look at that. You got this little tray inside. We're gonna put it just like that. Oh, it fits perfect. It fits perfectly on this little tray right here. These are the controls. We turn it on like this, and we going for preheating time. We're gonna go with 3 minutes, and then we're gonna lower it down to 375 maybe. 375. I think 375 will be fine. And then we hit play. Look at this display, guys. Look at this nice display. So now it's in preheat mode. We're gonna wait, and then we'll put our chicken inside this. So we're gonna set it up to roast, and then we hit play, and it should start. There you go. See, most people think that this air fryer, or any air fryer for that matter, they think they're small ovens, but airflow is what really matters. See, Cosori, they designed this thing with 5 different fan speeds. Depends on what you're cooking. That gives you more control when you either air frying, roasting, broiling. It just gives you a different type of settings in there that you can just pick one, and whatever you're doing, whatever you're cooking, just pick the one you need. It's right there. Now, one thing I did promise to my kids is that I was gonna make some pizza rolls for them, so let's make them. For this, we're just gonna give some time to this while this is cooking. We're gonna make some pizza rolls. So for this, Remember, I like to use these tortillas, I always do. So you can find them at Costco, you can find them at Walmart. Okay, this is just uncooked tortilla. Want to pour some cheese onto this. Try not to put too much of it, because if you do, it's gonna go all over the place. And then we want to place our pepperonis here like this, best we can. And then what we do is we just grab the whole thing like this, and then we just roll it. We just roll it like this, okay? Just like that. So we're gonna make 2 of those for the kids. Once they're cooked, all we gotta do is just slice them, okay? There you go. And this is a small treat that the kids will love it. I'll tell you what, my kitchen smells really, really nice. All that garlic, the rosemary, the thyme, everything's come together with the spices and everything. Oh my God, it's coming up so good. If you're asking yourself, why am I wearing this right here? Well, my good friend from Long Bull Barbecue sent me this. This right here, this is his logo, this is his channel. If you want to follow him, please do so. Got really, really nice videos. A little different than what I do. He likes cooking in the backyard and everything, but he's more focused on barbecue. I'm more of a Mexican style, Tex-Mex style. I'm just a monkey cooking in the backyard, that's all. Let's give this a few minutes and then we'll get ready for the next. We got like 20 seconds left. This thing is almost done. I'm thinking I'm gonna flip it over and then cook it for another, maybe for another 5 minutes on the other side. Let's take a look and see what's going on in here. Oh wow, it is nice and crusty. Okay, oh my God, it smells so good. No, it's not burnt, okay? All this is just the crust. All it is just the spices, that's all it is. It's not burnt. So what I'm gonna try to do now, I'm gonna try to flip it. I'm gonna use these things. Stick them in it like this. We turn it around. Wow. I wanna pour some more of this. And we wanna put it back on the TurboBlaze for another 5 minutes. I'll tell you what, for cooking inside your home, something like this is perfect. You don't take too much time and it cooks everything perfectly. All about the airflow, that's all it is. We got 10 seconds left. All right, let's see what it looks like. The smell of it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is really nice. This is a perfect cooked chicken. Let's transfer this chicken. Oh wow, look at that. Look at all those juices coming out, guys. Oh, we're just gonna put it on this pan right here. I'm gonna take this one and I'm gonna rinse it off. All those juices and everything. Cover it up with this for a little bit. And we're gonna let it cool off. So now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the pizza rolls. Whatever is left in here, I'm just gonna throw it right here like this. Just get rid of it. And then this, I just didn't wanna throw all the oil and stuff in there. So now, we're just gonna rinse it off. No kidding, guys. Look, I haven't cleaned it yet. Just rinse it off. Easy to clean. Look, it's barely even dirty. Wow, just rinse it off. After you get done, rinse it off real quick, and it's super easy to clean. We're gonna set up our pizza rolls, and we're gonna set them up like this. One on each side, and we're gonna put it inside. For this, turn the machine. Look at how touchy this is. This is the screen. For this, we're gonna go bake, and then we're gonna go 330. I think is fine. 20 minutes is too much. So So we're gonna go with probably five minutes, and I think it's still too much, but we'll see. And then we hit play, and that's it. That's all we do. I'll tell you what, guys, the only reason why we're cooking in here in this kitchen right now is because it's been raining and raining and raining outside, non-stopping. As much as I like to cook outside, I'm not doing it in the rain. And one of the best things about this is like on this this specific cooker right here, this TurboBlaze, you get this book right here, and on this book you got a bunch of recipes. Look at that. Look at that. You can make steaks, you can make chicken, you can make cake, you can make cheeseburgers, quesadillas, anything you want, you can make it on this thing. Listen to that. That's the sound of either perfection or burn. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at our pizza rolls. They're looking good. Let's pull them out. Oh wow, nice and crispy. I'll put them right here. Turn that off. We're done with it. Wow. Let's slice them in little pieces so the kids can eat them. Wow. Look at these pizza rolls. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Let's let them cool off for a little bit, and then we'll bring the kids so they can see what they think about this. Either they're gonna like it or they're gonna hate them. But how can you hate this? Wow, it's hot. Oh wow. These are really, really good. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Look at all that juice in there. Oh, wow. This is really, really good. Look at this. Really nice and juicy. Oh, wow. It is juicy. That garlic flavor, that butter. Mission success. That is a dang good chicken, guys. Wow. This turned out better than expected. This is really good. I gotta bring my kids. I'm gonna let you guys try this.
Are you gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Here, try this. Ooh, don't do that. Here, try this. It might be a little hot. Try this, Omar. Try that. What's up?
It's so easy to bite into. Oh my god.
It's nice, juicy, nice and tender. Nice and tender. You want some more?
Yeah, I want some more.
There's some more too.
Yeah. All right. Here's the pizza rolls. You can try those too if you want to. What's the camera? What's the camera? There's pizza rolls right there, bro. If you want to try them. You want some of this? You want more of this? You really like the chicken, don't you? The what? The chicken's better than the pizza rolls? Yeah. Oh yeah, you don't like cheese, do you? Yeah. But what about you?
Oh my god.
It's got that buttery flavor with garlic.
Oh yeah.
Really nice.
When most people make chicken, they just like really hard to chew on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Don't grab the knife, okay?
Dissolves right through your mouth.
Mm-hmm. You like the juice? Yeah? You like to dip it in the juice? Yeah? All right. I'll get you. Come on. You really like this, don't you? Okay. All right. Be careful with the camera. Okay, so it's juicy. You like it. You like it juicy. Okay. Well, thank you, buddy. Well, there you have it.
That was a maker.
Good deal, buddy. All right. Good deal. Thank you.
I'll give this 100.
You give this 100. There you have it. Anyway, guys, well, there you have it. The kids,
Fire. Oh my god.
the kids like this. We liked it. We loved it. Anyway, guys, if you want to check out this nice Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer, I'm going to leave you the link and discount on the description of this video. I'm going to leave it right here on the screen so you can see it. And as always, thank you so much for visiting today. I appreciate everything you guys are doing. Don't forget, TurboBlaze. It did a really good job, okay? Thank you so much. But this is all I got for you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye!
Try the chicken.